Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can play 1v1 CSGO with friend in Faceit. So, playing 1v1 in CSGO is relatively easy, but playing with a friend might be a little bit tricky because on Faceit, people organized or moderators or admin from Faceit organize the tournaments or 1v1 matches themselves. So, to go ahead and make this simple, you can then go ahead and play 1v1 on Faceit by searching for 1v1 tournaments, and from here you and your friend can go ahead and participate into one of those tournaments. So this is hard to go ahead and do because it is not guaranteed to go ahead and play with your friend each time. But as of the moment, there is no direct way for you to go ahead and play 1v1 with your friend, but to only go ahead and participate in tournaments with your friend and yourself, and hoping that you go ahead and come again or come and fight with each other. So from here, you can just go ahead and click on join tournament. Now this is a 1v1 tournament that the admin of Faceit organized themselves. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guides to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.